Properties. What are the properties that you'll learn? Closure, commutative, associative, distributive, identity, and inverse. 6 properties you have learned. Now, if you look at this question has got, okay, let me write A into B plus C minus A, sorry, B by 5, B into B. Sir, I've got the answer now. I have decoded. I have given respective values. Now simple. I know now what I'm seeing is I'm seeing this. And now my mathematics will become easier. I'm going to write this as A into B minus B into D plus C. I'm going to take B common. It will be A minus D plus C. Can you solve it? Just substitute the value. What is B? I have taken 3 upon 5. Bracket close. What is A? Minus 2 upon 3. What is D? B is 1 upon 6. Plus and you can solve this. I'm not doing this, you can do it. But if you want the answer, here's the answer. Going further, answer is simple question. I want you to do it by yourself. Again, look at this one small, every time whenever you get a mathematics thing, this is A. Is there any A here? No. This is B. So this is A. This is B. I have got a B here. Okay. This is something else. I'm going to give this C. And this is something else. I'm going to take that B. Equal. Okay. Pause it. Do it by yourself. Then only you will learn. Do let me know how do you find these classes. If you like it, share it with your friends. Let them also learn. Let them also score with you. Okay, sharing is caring. So share as much as you can. Additive, identity, and inverse. I have spoken about this part in my previous. Not going to spend. If what number can I add to a number where the number doesn't change? It is 0. So 0 is called additive identity addition. Additive addition. Additive addition. Additive addition. Identity means I'm not changing the number. Multiplication. Oh, additive inverse. What number can I add to a number where it becomes 0? Write the additive inverse. Minus 7 upon 19. It is minus 7 upon 19. What is minus of this? Simple. With me? Good. And how do I check? I take the number and whatever additive inverse I have got, I will add them and see if the LHS is equal to RHS. Going further, you can solve this. I think without solving it, you can get the answer. Minus 2 by 8. Verify. I will leave this for you kids to do it by yourself. Multiplicative. Do you recollect what we learned in multiplicative? What number will I multiply with a number where the number will remain the same? If suppose if you're thinking 10,000 as a number, so what number will I multiply to 10,000 so that it will remain 10,000? It's 1. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative inverse? Yes. What number will I do so that I will get 1? 1 is the multiplicative identity. I need to get 1. So if suppose if I have got a number called as 2, I want to multiply a number in such a way that I will get 1. Do you remember transpose? So this number, and do you know what is this? This is called as reciprocal. Now same, if suppose if I am asking you for 7 upon 8, what is the multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 8? What is the reciprocal of 7 upon 8? The reciprocal of 7 upon 8 is 8 upon 7. And let me clarify, let me recheck. What do I get? 1. Because 1 is a multiplicative identity. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. And 0 is called the additive identity. Going further, all this I think you can do. I will not make it long. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Name the property used in this. Multiply this by the reciprocal of this. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Check number multiplied by multiplicative inverse is equal to 1. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8? Interesting question. 8 upon 9. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative? Now let me just write this number 1 upon minus 1 upon 8 is the mixed fraction. How do I make it proper fraction? Minus 8 plus 1. Okay, so what do I get? Now further from here, you can do it. minus 1 is not the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. I was discussing about this question. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8? What is that? Okay, answer is right on your screen, so probably you can just go through with it. I'll give you an understanding. Minus 1 upon 8. I'm going to write this as 1 into 8 plus 1 upon 8. I will get 9 upon 8. Now, what do I know? I know number multiplied by the inverse has to be 1. Now, what is the number that I've got? 8 upon 9 into what is the inverse? It is saying cut, 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 cut. 1 upon 1 into minus 1 upon 1. And that is nothing else but 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 into 1. That is nothing else but minus 1 upon 1. And that is nothing else equal to minus 1. Identity in multiplicative. Multiplicative identity is what? 1, not minus 1. Therefore, this is not the multiplicative identity. So 8 upon 9, your answer has to be there. You are in studying in grade 8. You cannot just leave it at equal to not equal to 1. You have to explain. Hence, 8 upon 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8, as the product is not 1. You have to write this complete answer. I have seen lot of students just finishing at minus 1 and then writing it's not. No, you have to describe it. Okay, check on this. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3? Why or why not? Do it. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Which number does not have a rational does not have a reciprocal? Can you tell me? Take any number. Take number 2. 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. 2 reciprocal is 1 upon 2. Let's take 1. 1 upon 1. It can be written as 1 upon 1. Only thing is, this has come over here and this has come over here. 0 upon 1. 1 upon 0. But 1 upon 0 is not defined. So, 0 is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Clear? Yes. Next.